Is it time for a new roof? Key signs beyond water damage. Homeowners should know several indicators beyond water leakage that signal a deteriorating roof. Age of roof. Traditional asphalt shingle roofs typically last 20 to 25 years. Approaching or exceeding this age means it's time for an inspection. Granules in gutters. Finding shingle granules in gutters is a sign of wear, as these granules protect the roof from UV rays. Warping or curling shingles. This indicates that shingles are beyond their prime and require replacement. Daylight through roof boards. Visible daylight through roof boards in the attic signifies deterioration. Sagging areas. A sagging roof is not just a cosmetic issue but may indicate structural damage. Recognizing these early warnings can prevent further damage and save on extensive repair costs.